When you create something original, a video, a blog post, a piece of music, or even a design, you're not just sharing ideas, you're producing intellectual property. And in Australia, the law gives you copyright protection automatically the moment your work takes shape. No registration, no paperwork. It's yours by default. So what does that protection mean? Copyright gives you two sets of rights. First, there are economic rights. These are the rights that let you control how your work is copied, published, distributed, performed, or adapted. They're the foundation of creative industries, because they allow you to earn income through licensing, royalties, or direct sales. Without them, anyone could freely exploit your work without paying you a cent. Then there are moral rights. These are personal rights that protect your connection to your work. They guarantee that you're properly credited, that your work isn't treated in a derogatory way, and that nobody else can falsely claim authorship. Moral rights matter because creative works aren't just products. They're extensions of identity, reputation, and integrity. Copyright covers a wide range of creative outputs. Literary works like blogs and scripts, artistic works such as photos and illustrations, musical compositions and recordings, dramatic works like plays and choreography, and audiovisual productions including films and broadcasts. For content creators who often work across multiple formats, this breadth of protection is vital. But copyright isn't absolute. Australia's law includes fair dealing exceptions, which allow limited use of copyrighted material without permission in specific contexts. These include research or study, criticism or review, news reporting, and parody or satire. These exceptions provide flexibility, but they're narrow. Misusing them can still lead to infringement, so creators need to be cautious. In practice, many creators stumble into copyright pitfalls. Using stock images or music without proper licensing, reposting memes or clips without considering fair dealing, or repurposing existing content without permission, are common mistakes. One of the biggest misconceptions is that material found online is free to use simply because it's publicly accessible. In reality, copyright applies whether a work is behind a paywall or freely available. To avoid these risks, creators should adopt responsible habits. Always credit sources. Use Creative Commons or properly licensed material. Keep records of permissions. And when collaborating, clarify ownership from the start. These small steps protect you from legal trouble and strengthen your professional credibility. It's also worth remembering that copyright lasts a long time. In Australia, protection generally extends for the life of the author plus 70 years. That means respecting the rights of others long after a work was first published. And it also means your own creations can continue to benefit your legacy well into the future. At the end of the day, copyright law is both a shield and a responsibility. It empowers you to protect your work and build a sustainable career, but it also requires you to respect the rights of others. In a digital world where content can be shared globally in seconds, this balance is more important than ever. By understanding your rights, the limits of fair dealing, and the importance of licensing, you can safeguard your creative output, avoid infringement, and establish yourself as a credible professional. Copyright isn't just a legal safeguard, it's a foundation for creative empowerment. It ensures originality is rewarded, integrity is preserved, and innovation continues to thrive. For content creators, that's not just law, it's the key to building a lasting legacy,